Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Hisense M2 Pro is a smallest, lightest and most portable 4K laser mini projector. So friend, the Hisense introduced the M2 Pro laser mini projector and the latest edition of its laser TV lineup, and this powerful device redefined compact projection delivering impressive 4K cinematic experience anywhere and powered by innovative technology never before available in such a compact form factor. The Hisense M2 Pro laser mini projector represent a paradigm shift to portable home theater system, but successfully minimizing and perfecting advanced laser and AI technologies. And Hisense has developed its smallest, lightest, and most portable laser projector at the powerful, versatile, and extreme user-friendly, and it delivers premium big screen experience wherever you are. So, friend, at the heart of the M2 Pro is advanced AI 4K clarity technology, a sophisticated suite for algorithms that work harmoniously to deliver flawless images, and the inclusion of powerful AI 4K upscaler that intelligently transform lower resolution content into stunning 4K detail, and AI noise reduction function that ensure crisp and clean image, and AI HDR Upscaler that carefully optimize contrast and highlight for a more dynamic viewing experience, and featuring 2.07 million micro mirrors powered by the precise DLP system in the M2 project detailed 4K images up to 200 inches and ensuring crystal clear precision down the smallest details. So friend, the optical zoom with throw ratio of 1.0 to 1.3, and this engineering feat allow user to precisely adjustment image size and distance while maintaining full HD clarity, and key advantage that distinguish it from purely digital zoom solution. So friend, the projector offers impressive audio experience with integrated Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X technology, enabling rich and impressive sound without the need for external speakers. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.